Daniel, where are we?
We're in a hostel. And I don't think we should go to sleep tonight. We have ostriches all around us. We have mini horses, mini donkeys, and mini pigs. It's not safe.
That's funny. It's pretty amazing. Freaking ostriches. They're funny. So this is a little tiny bed and breakfast.
The family that owns it is just adorable. Highly recommend it.
Their names are Anne and Ross. There I am. It's really, really cute. And it's called the chalet. And we're gonna come out and see the ostriches being fed at 6 p.m. Oh yeah, we're having ostrich egg omelets in the morning. It's such a cute little place. What is? Huh. See if the little mini horses are on here. There's our car. Can't see them.